Hi, I'm Tim Menzie. I'm an operating partner, and I started working with Ardian in June of 2020. I started my career in public accounting, and I specialized in tax. And in the mid-1990s, I joined a startup company called Intergen. We developed, built, and owned and operated over 17,000 megawatts. We worked all around the world. We were a global company. I wanted to be part of a transition to a lower carbon industry, and Ardian gave me that chance to work with assets in North America that are going to be part of that energy transition. My mission is to support Ardian in their investments, and I work with the CEO and their leadership teams for those investments to challenge them to minimize risks. And I provide a guidance as being a former CEO to set and define their strategy using my experience to provide that input. Ardian made their first investment in Skyline in 2018 with a single wind farm of 60 megawatts. And Ardian has been able to grow that portfolio to now in excess of 1 gigawatt. Skyline Renewables portfolio right now is selling their energy in markets that have volatility. And part of what we're trying to do is to minimize the volatility, but also create opportunities where they exist in each of the individual markets. Those will apply to other investments that we have in the portfolio. The Hilltop project is a greenfield natural gas plant that's in construction right now in Pennsylvania. And we're going to be transitioning from construction to operations in early 2021. And we got to make sure that we continue to focus on both the construction and the safety of the project while getting ready for the operations and how to improve the effectiveness of those operations. Mapple Leaf is a joint venture with NLX in Ontario, Canada. We manage and develop a lithium-ion battery storage. The batteries provide grid stability, and they allow commercial and industrial customers to save on their electricity bills through a global adjustment scheme. And this is the first investment of many, I believe, that are going to allow us to continue to deliver into the energy transition. Well, I think there's going to be a combination of investments that are going to be required to achieve a lower carbon energy future. Wind and solar and energy storage, as well as some conventional generation. And so I believe Ardian's portfolio has a mixture of all of these, and that is really going to help, I think, lead the transition to a lower carbon energy.